Hi and welcome back to another spare part description video from Cluster Repairs UK. Today we're taking a closer look at the replacement display screen for the Ford MFD LOW radio, sat-nav and onboard computer. This particular display fits a wide range of Ford models manufactured between 2010 and 2022. Here's what the complete MFD LOW unit looks like when intact. Now let's talk about some common issues that indicate your display may need replacing. The screen turning completely white, loss of contrast or faded colours, half or partial display missing, heavy lines appearing across the screen, or even a completely blacked out display. Cluster Repairs UK is proud to be an authorised supplier of genuine, high-quality components sourced directly from European distributors. We use this same original quality component in our professional repair service, and we confidently back it with a lifetime warranty. Every part undergoes strict quality control checks and carries official manufacturer markings. We do not sell B-grade or factory-rejected components commonly found on cheaper markets. Here's an example of a faulty display. Notice how it's trying to turn on but flickering. Now take a look after our professional repair using a brand new original display. The difference is crystal clear. We're an established UK business that's been trusted globally by the motor industry since the 1980s. With 2 UK locations and dedicated UK-based customer support, you can shop confidently knowing you're in good hands. Let's test it further. As you can see, it's now performing just like new. This spare part isn't only for professionals, it's also perfect for DIY enthusiasts. When you purchase from us, you'll receive 14 days of free access to our professional trade course level step-by-step repair tutorial video, designed to guide you toward a successful professional repair outcome. If you still need further advice, please do not hesitate to contact us. Simply click the Ask Seller a Question button below or drop us an email. We're always happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.